Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Leaked Shiba Inu news. January will make us millionaires. Why? Explained. New Year celebrations are traditionally followed by low market and industry trading activities. One would expect an extremely low to non-existent volume of Shiba Inu, hence a lack of burning volume on the chain. However, that was not the case on December 31st and January 1st. In this video, we will talk about leaked Shiba Inu news. January will make us millionaires. Why? Explained. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. According to the Shib burn portal, almost 100 million Shiba Inu tokens have been burned in the last 24 hours. In the last 48 hours, the number is way more significant, with nearly 300 million Shiba Inu tokens burned in one transaction only. Despite the deceleration of burning activities on the network, Shiba Inu still maintains a certain threshold in the overall amount of burned assets, which leads to a gradual reduction in the circulating supply. When the network's activity is high, investors manage to burn up to 1 billion SHIB tokens, significantly helping the token's performance on the market. Despite the existing burn and the gradual removal of SHIB from the market, the price of the meme token has been struggling throughout 2022 for numerous reasons. The general downtrend of the cryptocurrency market, massive de-risking of investors' portfolios, and the lack of clarity in Shiba Inu's future. On the 1st of January 2023, Bitcoin rose, with the world's largest and most popular digital token trading almost flat, with a positive bias at $16,566. The global cryptocurrency market cap today remained below the $1 trillion mark, as it was flat in the last 24 hours to $828 billion as per the data by CoinGecko. In cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin price today rose, with the world's largest and most popular digital token trading almost flat with a positive bias at $16,566. The global cryptocurrency market cap today remained below the $1 trillion mark, as it was flat in the last 24 hours to $828 billion as per the data by CoinGecko. On the other hand, Ether, the coin linked to the Ethereum blockchain and the second largest cryptocurrency, was also trading marginally higher at $1,195. Meanwhile, Dogecoin price today was trading about 1% lower at $0.06, whereas Shiba Inu gained was down at $0.000008. An evaluation of SHIB's supply distribution reveals the most large address categories have increased their balance. This means top whales have been buying the dip. But a closer look at the current demand levels reveals low retail participation. Transaction volume remained within the normal range, if not lower, at least in the last week of December 2022. This may indicate a lack of sizable participation by the retail market. Perhaps the reason for low retail participation is that the weighted sentiment tanked from the 23rd of December to the 27th of December. However, it bounced back significantly in the last 2 days, confirming that investors are shifting towards a bullish outlook. So far, the whale activity seems to have curtailed the bearish momentum, especially in the last 24 hours. The price managed to rally by at least 2%. But not much upside is expected if there is insufficient whale participation and liquidity for a sizable bounce. The 90-day MV/RV ratio achieved a slight bounce, indicating that recent buyers near the current lows are already in profit. Shiba Inu by market capitalization is struggling to recoup its losses from 2022. Still, the good news for holders is that the token recently broke out of its down channel after a massive SHIB burn. Satoshi Kusama, the leader of the SHIB project, has assured the community that development for the Layer 2 scaling solution Shibarium is on track for launch. Shiba Inu, a meme coin with a $4.78 billion market capitalization, recorded a massive spike in its burn rate. The burn mechanism is key to the SHIB ecosystem as it removes tokens permanently from the circulating supply, influencing supply dynamics and the asset price. SHIB burn recorded a 13,000% spike as hundreds of millions of tokens were destroyed at the end of 2022. Based on data from the Shib burn portal, upwards of 100 million SHIB tokens were burned in 24 hours. In the 48 hours that followed, 300 million more of the Dogecoin killer's tokens were permanently removed from circulating in a single transaction. Kusama assured the community that the Layer 2 scaling solution Shibarium's development is on track. Kusama met the unification team working on the project and affirmed that Shibarium is being finalized. The launch of Shibarium is a highly anticipated event in the community. Experts believe it could trigger a rally in the meme coin. Shib recently broke out of a down channel with a spike in its price. Yet, overall, the meme coin remains 90% below its all-time high of $0.00008616. Shib price has been in a down channel since mid-December 2022. It broke out of the down channel with a close above the upper trend line at $0.00000810. The meme coin is changing hands at $0.00000813, close to its 50-day exponential moving average. Shiba Inu bulls target the $0.00000814 level, and the next resistance is at $0.00000832. A decline below the 20-day EMA at $0.00000809 could invalidate the bullish thesis for Shib price. While it was a challenging year for the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu held its ground and secured its spot among the top digital currencies in 2022. Shiba Inu holds 15th place when ranked by market cap, at an impressive $4.39 billion. Shitoshi Kusama, Shiba Inu's lead developer, has confirmed that the launch of the Shibarium protocol, a blockchain scaling solution that could drastically change Shib's position in the cryptocurrency industry, is very soon. The news comes following a successful meeting between Kusama and Unification UND, key builders of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Investors are optimistic ahead of this major launch, and there is hope it could significantly drive up Shib's price by early 2023. With such an anticipated move on the horizon, investors should keep a close eye on developments in the days and weeks to come. Shibarium protocol on Shiba Inu's price to consider the fundamentals of a cryptocurrency project when making investment decisions. With that in mind, let's turn our attention to some other altcoins that have good foundations and show promise for returns in the future. The crypto market has been taking a hit since Elon purchased Twitter. However, January 2023 may see an enormous pump amongst the DeFi community. Meme coins have brought investors millions of dollars in return in 2021 and 2022. NFTs, also known as non-fungible tokens, took an enormous hike this year, bringing some of our celebrity investors like Snoop Dogg, Ariana Grande, Logan Paul, and even Pauly from Jersey Shore. Shiba Inu gave investors something to smile about last week. On Wednesday, rumors of a potential listing on Robinhood sent Shiba Inu's price soaring at least 13% higher. 2 days later, Elon Musk's tweet that Tesla will allow merchandise to be purchased by Dogecoin caused the meme coin also to jump 13%. Tesla allowing Dogecoin to be used in buying the company's merchandise is good news. The move increases the meme coin's real-world utility, but the impact probably isn't all that great. Tesla doesn't provide details on exactly how much its merchandise sales are. These sales are lumped into the services and other category on the company's income statement. During the first 9 months of 2021, Tesla reported services and other revenue of $2.74 billion. Then there's the question of how often customers will use Dogecoin to buy Tesla merchandise. Even if the digital token was used for 10% of purchases, the total would still be relatively small and certainly not enough to justify Dogecoin's market cap rising more than $2 billion last week. But if Robinhood allows Shiba Inu to be traded on its platform, it should boost the meme coin's adoption. The valuations of cryptocurrencies hinges largely on supply and demand. Robinhood listing Shiba Inu would very likely increase the demand for the token. Robinhood reported 18.9 million monthly active users in the third quarter of 2021. Crypto generated more than 19% of the company's transaction-based revenue in the quarter. The trading platform only supports buying and selling 6 cryptocurrencies right now, though. It seems to be a near certainty that more investors would buy Shiba Inu if it were available on Robinhood. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.